So you've got some crypto tokens to your name and you're wondering, can I make any money off of these? Yes, probably. Here's how to find out by calculating APY, which is short for annual percentage yield, which basically tells you how much you can make for depositing your tokens for a full year. First, get the APY for your token. You can search APY and the name of your token to dig up some APY rates. In this example, we'll look up APY on the popular DeFi platform Aave. Go to app.aave.com/markets and find your token on the list. There, you'll see the supply APY, that is what you earn for depositing, of 2.26%. Now, let's calculate yield. Take the APY rate and divide it by 100, or just move the dot 2 places to the left. So 2.26 becomes 0.0226. Multiply that number by the number of tokens that you have, which is your token balance. So if I have 50 DAI tokens, it's 50 times 0.0226, which equals 1.13. That is your annual yield. In other words, that's about how many DAI tokens you would earn in a year if you deposited your 50 DAI in Aave. Granted, it'd be a little less than that because you have to pay deposit and transaction fees, but it gives you a rough idea of your token's earning potential. So what if that APY seems low and you're like, nah, I'd only deposit it if it went up? You could keep checking back to see if it's changed or set up a bot to check for you. I mean, you've already done most of the work, so here's how to take just a few extra steps to get alerted instantly when that APY changes. Go to boto.io and create an account. It's super easy with Google login or just an email and password. Then go to boto.io/bots and find the recipe called Crypto Aave APY Calculator and email updates. I'll put a link in the description. Put your wallet address in the token block and choose the token you want to get APY alerts for. Get the token contract address from Aave and plug that into the token APY block. To get the address, let's go back to app.aave.com/markets, click on the token, and then click on the contract. Copy and paste into Boto. Now just put in the email address, save, and turn on. You'll get an email almost immediately and daily from there. The bot will check your token balance, check the APY, and calculate your potential yield every day. Want to get these updates more or less often? Just adjust the scheduling at the top of your bot. You can also have these alerts go to Telegram, Discord, Slack, or even Twitter. Another way you can adjust this is to add a filter so you only get an email when the APY goes above a certain amount. I hope this was helpful. Give us a like or subscribe. It really helps us out. We don't spend any money on ads, and we'd love to keep you updated on other ways to automate your DeFi activities. Thanks, and good luck.